Hey, we're Ternpoint.
Ternpoint is a Microsoft Solutions partner.
Primarily, we help companies with their business processes,
We really take those processes and systems down to the boards.
ensuring that the company is on a platform that can scale with them.
Ternpoint implements Microsoft Dynamics Business Central so information can be shared and utilized in real time across all individuals and departments. Step in a room with us.
So tell me about your bottlenecks.
How have you set up your systems integrations?
How long does it take you to close your financials?
What systems do you currently use to track operations?
The most important part is to listen more and talk less.
We work to understand your business, design process and strategies to enhance security, reduce expenses, enable scalability, and empower your team.
One of the biggest benefits is the fact that Microsoft Dynamics Business Central is a cloud-based solution.
They have a much better interactive way of understanding their business data and what is happening with their business.
It's fully integrated with a lot of the Microsoft stack.
Whether it's your email and Outlook or your Office apps like Excel or Microsoft Teams is all tightly integrated.
There's a lot more visibility to just the fluidity of the business.
Getting them into a more efficient system so that they have the bandwidth and the ability to think into the future.
You got me?
Development through post-launch. We don't walk away.
When we're recommending process changes or technology, we're invested in the success of those recommendations and implementations.
Ternpoint offers full service support for your Business Central system. Our dedicated US-based support team is here for you after you go live. So, if you're interested in how your business applications can function in the cloud, we can help.